बचपन से ही जो भी सीखा यहीं सीखा इसी इंडस्ट्री में बिकॉज ऑफ माई डैड एंड तो कभी बाहर का कभी सोचा नहीं है तो कई बार सोचता हूँ कि अगर ये नहीं कर रहा होता तो पता नहीं क्या कर रहा होता.
सो मैं बताऊं, ये जो आप कर रहे हैं ना, इससे बड़े सारे लोगों को इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी कैरेक्टर ऑफ योर्स, फिर चाहे वो कॉमन मैन का हो ये, लेकिन या कुछ इस तरह का हो, वो लोगों को इंस्पायर कर जाता है कुछ बड़ा करने के लिए. अजय देवगन सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. I'd like to invite on stage now someone who's gorgeous and at the same time talented. एंड इतना ही कहूंगा, जो जो रिलेटेबल रोल्स होते हैं ना, मुझे लगता है उन कहानियों में बहुत ढल जाती हैं वो. गिव इट अप फॉर वानी कपूर, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Vani. Thank you so much for being here, looking as gorgeous as ever. And as I said, reality से जुड़ी फिल्में या वो जो characters relatable होते हैं, वहाँ बिल्कुल आप वो बड़ा अच्छा blend होता है. What do you have to say about this film and of course the cast and the crew?
No, I'm just counting my blessings because I've never really had the opportunity to venture in a genre like this with a franchise which is so credible. I mean, I'm a fan of Raid, and I think unanimously I can safely say that we all gave it so much love. So I'm just hoping double the love for its sequel. And yes, the opportunity to work with Ajay sir. I think it's a rare quality to command scenes without having to be loud or do anything extra. It's just sheer aura and intensity, screen presence, and yeah, just the quiet intensity and gravitas you bring to every frame. It's grounding and inspiring, so I feel like it's a fabulous experience. Raj sir was so lovely. I think, again, he has great understanding and clarity from what he wants, of his characters, and he enables you to also contribute. So you always feel creatively liberated to kind of contribute and improvise and bring something to the table. Thank you, Kumarji, for having me in this film. I think I'm so blessed. And so I've just seen that scene of yours. I'm a fan already. And I can't wait. I think it has the coolest lines and the coolest, it's the Paisa Vasool film. It is. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Vani. Thank you so much. Would like to now invite on stage the director, जिनकी विजन है, जिसको यहाँ पे हमने देखा, राजकुमार गुप्ता साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. ये लिखते भी बड़ा कमाल का है, और जब फिल्म बड़े पर्दे पे आती है, सर आमिर से लेके आज तक, whatever you've done, it has been brilliant, और audiences ने उससे बहुत ज़्यादा relate किया है. First things first, talk to us about Raid 2 का ये journey, and especially इतना टाइम लग गया सर, बिकॉज अगर कुछ ब्लॉकबस्टर होता है तो आदमी कहता है तुरंत ले आओ एक और.
नहीं, अच्छी चीज़ों में टाइम लगता है. हमें भी कहानी खोजने में, अच्छी कहानी, टू गेट द राइट स्टोरी एंड राइट टाइम, एंड एवरीबडी अग्रीइंग ऑन द स्टोरी दैट वी आर मेकिंग अ गुड फिल्म. वी डिडंट वांट टू स्पॉइल व्हाट वी हैव मेड. So that took time, but thankfully we all came together, and thanks to Ajay sir, my producers Kumar ji, Bhushan ji, that we all, got a story which we could take forward. Yes. And to all the cast members and everyone, and thank you for coming and watching the trailer. Thank you.
Sir, one more thing, before I invite the producers on stage, talking about this gentleman here. He's a director's actor, बहुत कुछ लेके आते हैं वो अपने साथ अपने किरदारों में. But when you're working with a person like Ajay Devgan, तो खुद को और चैलेंज करने में मजा आता है. कुछ लगता है इनके संग तो और बाउंड्रीज को पुश कर सकते हैं.
वो खुद ही इतनी ज़्यादा बाउंड्री पुश करते हैं, और इट्स नॉट अबाउट माई फिल्म. आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ हिज. प्रोबेबली ही इज़ द ओनली सुपरस्टार आई हैव वर्कड विद, बट ही चैलेंजेस हिमसेल्फ. And it's not about this film. He has been doing it for so long, and in various characters. So we all get inspired by him. We all get inspiration from the way he approaches his work. For a director, it's always great to see an actor or a superstar trying to get into that character and even guiding me through that journey. So it's been fabulous working with him, not only in Raid, but in this film as well. And with Vani and Saurabh Shukla sir and Ritesh. So it has been a great journey.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for doing.
काला धन, ब्लैक मनी आपको मिल जाता है तो क्या करेंगे आप, या आपके पास आता है कहीं से?
आएगा कहाँ से, पहले वो बताइए.
वो तो आपके बहुत सारे कांटेक्ट हैं.
अब तक तो पता नहीं, आप मेरे घर भेज दीजिए, फिर मैं डिसाइड करूंगा कि उसका क्या करूं.
एंड हाँ, कुछ बोल रहे. एंड जैसा कि बहुत सारे करीबी दोस्त हैं आपके इंडस्ट्री में, सलमान है, शाहरुख है, तो अगर किसी के घर अगर रेड पड़ती है तो ऐसे में आप कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? क्योंकि आप एक ऑफिसर हैं, आप कैसे मैनेज करेंगे?
मैं ऑफिसर फिल्म में हूँ,
हाँ, तो
मैं उनके घर नहीं जा रहा हूँ रेड डालने, तो मुझे क्या मैनेज करना है मुझे समझ में आया नहीं, क्योंकि जब किसी के घर रेड पड़ी होगी तो मैं घर पे बैठा हूँगा या मेरे यहाँ पड़ेगी तो वो लोग घर पे बैठे होंगे, तो हम कुछ मैनेज कर नहीं सकते।
Brilliant actors. I think they understand what the character is and what the story is. Of course, Saurabh sir is good. So I think it's his talent. I think it's the co-stars, it's everyone, the entire team coming together and performing.
Okay, sir. Looking forward to.
I guess so, but right now we are still struggling, and we are not very sure what the audience would come in for and what not. But we think we have an idea of how the audiences have evolved and changed during the pandemic. Also, with too much of exposure of international on OTT and things like this. So we are adapting to it, and that's how we are also changing. But as I said, nobody is very sure as yet. So we all are struggling, but trying to figure things out. Bollywood films are not working. Films all over the world, some are really working and some are not working. It could be Bollywood, it could be the South film industry or Hollywood. I mean, everywhere the situation is the same. So, and rest of the answer I just gave.
7 years later, Amay Patnaik, he gets a new wife.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But the character can change. I mean, you see it in a lot of Hollywood films also. When, you know, I mean, still Sean Connery is not the James Bond. So it's the character you follow, and then new people keep coming in.
So,
वानी आपके लेफ्ट में.
no, 1 second. So, Vani, what was it like playing his wife? Knowing you're the next wife.
Knowing no jealousy with the previous one. We share a great equation off screen. But no, I think you just take the character and the part, and you try to play it with utmost authentic, in the most genuine way possible, and just follow the brief of the director and the creators and the writing. I think it's, again, like I said, for me it was more for the experience to be part of a project which has a different, it showcases me and my talent, or maybe my, the kind of creativity that I have put perhaps in different films. This is pretty much, it's not aligned to everything else that I've done so far, so this is new and refreshing for me. And of course, working with Ajay sir, collaborating with everybody, they are all phenomenal, and they're so, there's so much talent that you only learn and observe and grow from it.
So, as a co-star, is he as silent as he always is?
No, actually, we were pretty chatty, I think. I had a very different, not pretty chatty, but I think because I'm also an introvert, and it takes me time to open up. So, sir was very kind and generous, and he was very, I think he entertained my not so entertaining conversations, but I think I love the fact that sir is very humble, he's very grounded. There's a lot of humility to him, so he's very polite.
Raj, welcome back. We haven't seen you for a long time.
Thank you
Welcome
so
back.
much.
Audience decide करिए कोई फिल्म कौन सी फिल्म देखनी है और कौन सी नहीं देखनी है. And honestly speaking, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जिस किस्म का प्रमोशन हम डिस्कस करते हैं उससे ऑडियंस अट्रैक्ट नहीं होती. उनको कंटेंट चाहिए. अगर आपका ट्रेलर लैंड कर जाता है, आपका टीजर चल जाता है और लोगों को अगर गाने हो तो पसंद आ जाते हैं, then the audience definitely comes in. So it's basically it all boils down to what they want to see. वो उनको उस ट्रेलर में मिल रहा है कि नहीं.
मिले जब आप ऐसी खबरें पढ़ते हैं तो कभी आपके दिमाग में आता है कि यहाँ ये रेड करने मुझे जाना चाहिए था?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं आता. मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ उसमें बहुत खुश हूँ और मुझे इस वक्त कोई और जॉब की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Thank you so much.